what I'm gonna use is this 21. This one. I just want to try it. Then I'm gonna try the orange one, sweet and sour, the same brush. I'm gonna try the chocolate orange. This shade. We'll see. To complete this eye look, we need to add this. Okay guys, nabutan na ito kang false lashes. Highlight ito ginagmay. Actually, my right eye was like watery. Siya. Tsada ni siyang ito gani. Gonna look your face more dewy. Okay, so mo ni siya guys sa akong look for today's video. Ako na siyang mugna-mugna. I use this shade of 2021. Also the sweet and sour. And this one. So it's just a 3 color. And for the glitter, I use these, where is it? I use these metallic shadow Malibu glitz. Siya. If you can see. So yun na siya yung color. And then also I add some of this, was it boozy pink? This glittery thing. It's really nice. So, siya. I don't know kung na messed up akong kuan. I think it's gonna be messed up. Okay, and by the way, sa akong lipstick. It's not that nice because my lips is so dry and it's peeling off. But I'm using this Too Wet and Wild lipstick. The Think Pink and the Spotlight Red. So the outer part I use this one. And then in the middle I put this Spotlight Red there. Just put it right here like that. Diba? Okay, so again, mauro na siya guys sa ako ang today's pinkish look. Pinkish ba? Okay guys, so that's it for my today's makeup look. It's called, I'm gonna call it Pinkish Dewy Makeup Look. So yeah. I hope you guys like it and enjoy watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Share this video to those ladies who like, you know, doing makeup, or who wanted to learn makeup, or just wanted for fun like me. So yeah, well, that's it guys, and I hope you enjoy watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.